Guys, today I'm going to show you just a few tips. This tip for today, guys, is about the way the headlights are having moisture in them. So I'm just going to give just a few tips on how to keep your headlight in good condition after you figure out it has moisture. So tip number one, guys, is to seal the sides of your headlights. Just right here, you just seal on this side. So you should seal it well. You just have to take the headlight out. You can use a premium headlight sealant. You can choose any in the market which you prefer. And when you put inside, guys, you have to seal it and let it dry well. That will save you from having a moisture inside. So another thing, guys, when you pull your headlights outside, just like this one right here, what you do is you inspect the covers. Make sure these covers which cover the seals are good. So you take them out, you take the covers, then you just let them out, and then you make sure you check on the seals. If they are bad, replace them with good seals which will be able to cover it well so the moisture doesn't get in there. So once you do that, guys, you can just put back your headlight, and then you should be able to work. Hope, guys, this video really helps somebody out there.